Hello dear students. Today we will see the topic level of abstraction or different type of views in database management system. Now as we know that database system is a backend of any software. It has some complex data structures to store that data, and to make it easy to interact with the database with the user, the developers hide some internal structure from the users, and this process of hiding the irrelevant details from the user is called as data abstraction. So there are different privileges given to each type of user, and as per the level of user, some data has been hidden from that particular type of user, so that the user can see only the interested data of that user. Now there are different levels or views of data. A major purpose of database system is to provide users with the abstract view of data. Now data abstraction, there are three levels: physical level, that is called as lowest level; logical level, which is the next higher level. Physical level shows how data is actually stored and describe the type of complex data structure. Logical level is the next higher level data abstraction. Here in logical level, instead of how data is stored, user know what data is stored and what relationship exists among that data. In physical level, how data is stored is known to the user. In logical level, what data is stored and what is the relationship between the data, that is known to the user. Last level is view level. This is the highest level of abstraction. The highest level of abstraction is the normal user interaction, which access or which interact with the database by writing some application program. Many users of database system do not need all the information, only part of the database is needed. To view level of abstraction, their interaction with the system, view level is used. So in this way there are three levels of data abstraction. Now this is a diagram for relationship among different levels of abstraction. So at very first level or top level there are view level. So different views are there. Then logical level is there, and then physical level is there. So logical level describes what data is stored and what is the relationship between those data. Physical level is the lowest level data, which describes how data is stored, and view level is the highest level of data abstraction, which describes only the part of database which simplifies the interaction with the system. So there are, at view level there are different types of views as per the user requirement. So in this way, in database system we can provide one type of security by hiding some data from particular type of user. So that's all about